Hello students, today exercise 1.2 chapter number 1 11 science sets and question number 3 state the whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. First question is the set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. Here we have to find this set of lines are infinite or finite. The set of lines which are parallel to the x-axis is an infinite set because lines parallel to the x-axis are infinite in number. If you will draw the x-axis and y-axis, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. If you draw the line parallel to x-axis, you can draw infinitely many lines parallel to x-axis. That's why this set is an infinite set. Second is the set of letters in the English alphabet. Here we already know that in the English alphabet we have 26 alphabets. That's why this is the fixed number. Answer is finite set. Third one is the set of numbers which are multiple of 5. Here if you write the multiple of 5, it can be 5, 10, 15, 25 and so on. Any number you can multiply with 5, that is the multiple of 5. It means we have infinitely many numbers multiple of 5. That's why this set is infinite set. Fourth one is the set of animals living on the earth. It means we can't count the number of animals living on the earth because it has infinitely many animals living on the earth. Living on the earth animals is a finite set because the number of animals living on the earth is finite. Although it is quite a big number, but you can count it. That's why this set is finite set. Fifth one is the set of circles passing through the origin 0, 0. If you draw the origin 0, 0, this is the origin 0, 0. And here it has infinitely many circles passing through this origin. That's why the set of circles passing through the origin 0, 0 is an infinitely many numbers of circles. You can draw like this, like this, like this. Then this set is an infinite set. Question number 4. In the following state whether A equals to B. Question number 1. A equals to B or not. Question number 1 is A equals to A, B, C, D. And in the set B we have elements D, C, B and A. Here this set is A equals to B because the order in which the elements of a set are listed is not significant. Here we have all the elements are equal from the set A and B. That's why this is A equals to B. Second is A equals to 4, 8, 12, 16 and B equals to 8, 4, 16 and 18. Here we have, it can be seen that 12 does not belongs to A. 12 belongs to A, but 12 does not belongs to B. That's why A not equals to B. Condition of A equals to B for all the elements are equal to the elements of B. That's why here we don't have 12 does not belongs to B. Third question is A equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B equals to x colon x is a positive even integer x less than 10. Here we have numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and if we write the set, x is a positive even integer, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 less than 10. These elements are equal, that's why A equals to B. Fourth one, A equals to x is a multiple of 10 and set B equals to 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. If we write the element of A, it's A equals to 10, 20, 30 up to so on. But here 15 does not belongs to A. 15 belongs to B. But 15 does not belongs to A. That's why A not equals to B. Question number 5. Are the pair of sets equal? Give reasons. Here we have A equals to 2, 3 and B equals to x colon x is a solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. In set A we have two elements 2 and 3 and set B. If we solve this equation, it can be solved as x square plus 5x plus 6 and we have to factorize it. This is the polynomial x square plus 3x plus 2x. Factors are 3 and 2 plus 6 and you can write like this x plus 3 plus 2 x plus 3 and we have factors x plus 3 and x plus 2 and we have elements of B are x equals to minus 2 and minus 3 and elements are minus 2 and minus 3. That's why A not equals to B because the elements of A are 2 and 3 and elements of B are minus 2 and minus 3. They are not equal. That's why A not equals to B. Next question is A equals to x colon x is the letter in the word follow. Here we are right set A equals to F comma O comma L comma W. We can write the letters only once. In set B, Y is a letter in the word wolf. It's W O L F. Here we have the order in which the elements of a set are listed is not significant. That's why A equals to B. Next question number 6 is from the sets given below select equal sets. Here we have set A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H and we have to find which sets are equal. It can be seen that A and C, some elements are equal but 2 does not belongs to. First of all we are checking A equals to C or not. That's why 2 belongs to A but 2 does not belongs to C. 14 belongs to C but 14 does not belongs to A. That's why A not equals to C. Next we are checking A equals to B. 2 belongs to both the set. 4 already belongs to in both set. 8 8 belongs to A, but 8 does not belongs to B. 12 belongs to A, but 12 does not belongs to B. That's why A not equals to B. Next we are checking for A and D. 8 belongs to A, but 8 does not belongs to D. That's why A not equals to D. Next for A and E set. Again 8 belongs to A, but 8 does not belongs to E. That's why A not equals to E. Next we are checking for A and F. Same thing, you can take it. 8 belongs to A, but 8 does not belongs to F. That's why A not equals to F. Next we are checking for G. 8 belongs to A, but 8 does not belongs to G. That's why A not equals to G. Next for H, then again you can write 8 belongs to A, but 8 does not belongs to H. That's why A not equals to H. Next we are checking for the set B. If we take 3 belongs to B, then if we check for all the sets, then 3 does not belongs to C. Also 3 does not belongs to E. Also 3 does not belongs to F. 3 does not belongs to G, and 3 does not belongs to H. From this we can write B not equals to C, B not equals to E, B not equals to F, B not equals to G, and B not equals to H. Next we are checking for the set D. If 12 belongs to C, we are checking for C, D, E, F, G and H. First of all, 12 belongs to C and 12 does not belongs to D. Also 12 does not belongs to E. Also 12 does not belongs to F. 12 does not belongs to G. 12 does not belongs to H. From this we can write C not equals to D, C not equals to E, C not equals to F, C not equals to G, and C not equals to H. Next we are taking the elements from the set D. 4 belongs to D, but 4 does not belongs to E. Also 4 does not belongs to F. 4 does not belongs to G. 4 does not belongs to H. That's why we can write from this D not equals to E, D not equals to F, D not equals to G, D not equals to H. Similarly, E not equals to F, E not equals to G, E not equals to H, and also F not equals to G, F not equals to H, G not equals to H. The order in which the elements of a set are listed is not significant. That's why from the question B equals to D and E equals to G. For the basic concepts of sets, watch my previous videos. Thank you.